to avoid eye contact all of a sudden? Why are you looking down at your shoes? What, have you been here before?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you sat in my front row before?
Yes.
Yeah. Have I spoken to you before?
No.
Have I not? Fell into that fucking trap, didn't you? Hello. You look cold, sir. You're going to take that jacket off? Because obviously if you don't take it off while you're in here, you won't feel the benefit when you go outside. And you were like, oh, fucking hot, just looking at her. That's your age, darling. Yeah, I get it now, it's fine. Hello, sir, what's your name?
Simon.
Hiya, Simon, you alright?
Fine, thank you.
That's good, Simon. Born and bred in Sunbury, Simon? Another half there, wasn't it, Simon? He's like, look at him, he looks rough as fuck. Of course he's not born round here. Where are you from, Simon? Harrow. That is rough, isn't it? do you live here now, or are you still in Harrow? You've moved, they let you in? So you earned some money, selling drugs, moved into town, brilliant. Simon, on that note, what do you do for a living? You're retired. How old are you, Simon? See, look, if you're going to fucking make up a story, you need a massive backstory, because I'm just going to keep prodding until the story falls apart, and I think we're pretty much there already. Retired at, how old are you, Simon? 64, that's quite good. Do you look at it, Simon? That's good. I was going to say you had another job, and what did you used to do before you were retired, Simon? Work for the council. What, in Harrow? That's why you moved, because you made such a shit tip of Harrow. Fuck that up, didn't I? Retire and move to Sunbury, this is nice. Simon, I'm assuming this lady's lovely lady's your wife. Hello, what's your name? Oh yes, Susan, you're right. How's it going, Susan? How long have you been shagging Simon? Has it been a while? Not as long as I think. Oh, hello. How long, Susan? How long? How long have you been married for, Susan? 12 years. So you have been shagging for a long time. That's all right. But you're just trying to forget it, are you, Susan? Yeah, I understand it. What do you do, Susan? Social worker, lovely. And so he's retired and you still have to go out to work, Susan. What the actual fuck happened there, Susan? Is it wasn't what you were planning, it's what he fucking planned all along, yeah. So, while little Susan's out of work, Simon, what do you fill your days with? Yes, Simon, what? Yeah! You forget it was a cluster of women, you've got women all around you there, mate. And that bloke sat right behind you's like, I ain't fucking helping you. That's it. Woman, 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 woman. What do you do all day, Simon? We all want to know. Well, she's hard at work doing a crap job, not crap job as in shit, but a hard bloody job, Susan. What are you doing, Simon? You're doing the dishwasher. Does he do that, Susan?
Do you know what?
Does it? Well, I mean, it's not that much of a hard job, to be honest, unless you're very specific about where the things go. What? You're talking about sitting on the dishwasher. Did you just say something about vibrating appliances in the kitchen? You dirty bitch. I am coming to you in a second. When I said doing the dishwasher, I heard a little bit of smuts going on over this side, right, and I thought I'm going to let it go, we're going to just skirt over that issue, and then I heard vibrating appliance over here. I'm wet. You dirty people, honestly. I'm sorry they dragged you into that side, but there you are, just spending all those, how long's your day at work? It's about 8 hours, 9 hours? So all those 9 hours you're spending slacking that dishwasher, and they just made it dirty, Simon. So after is it just the two of you at home? No. Well, a son. So after you've put the 3 plates in the dishwasher, now what do you do? You put the tablet in, get it, and you're still focusing on the dishwasher as if it's a big all-consuming job. Dishwasher's done. What are you now doing? Watching the dishwasher? You're right, he's fixated on this white appliance. You're right to call him out as a dirty pervert, I know. Hang on, okay, we're swinging.
No, we know each other.
Do you? Do you come round and out with the dishwasher? You're right. Bloody all right then. All the men. Who goes round to help Simon with the dishwasher? Who else is retired in here? Give me a cheer if you're retired. Yeah, you're fucking scared now, aren't you? What's your name, my love? Hiya, Sharon. I wasn't expecting Sharon, honestly. Fucking honest. That's not a Sunbury name, is it, Sharon? Any more Sharons in here? Of course it's not. Sharon, you alright? What do you do, darling? Semi-retired. You start talking about the fucking dishwasher, Sharon. I am going to lose my shit. What do you do? What do you do for work? You don't do dishes. Oh, okay. Have you got somebody that does them for? Do you all take your dishes round to Simon's house? Is that what he's doing? He's doing everybody's dishes in Sunbury. That's what's taking him so long. What do you do? He does. I'm sure he does, my darling. This is Simon. Oh, you've got another Simon. Oh, you've got a Simon that does your dishes. We all need a Simon that does our dishes. Hello, Simon number 2. Where are you going? No, I've had enough, that's it. There was too many women in that area. He's gone for more support. He's gone down the pub. He's like, men, we need you. Simon needs you. Who does the dish? Who knows the dishwasher? It's going to bring back support for you, Simon. There's going to be a whole army of retired dishwasher fillers coming in to help you in a minute. Do not worry.